I'm gonna fix the bellow. As you can see, it's all ripped. That's because old age, I suppose. Used too many times. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna scrape it, all this part. Then take this off. So just make sure you don't leave any pieces behind, so you can the glue can stick onto it. After you do your first one, you'll be all the way a champion. Trying to do it on your own, it's satisfying instead of buying them ready-made. I think that's plenty. Okay. So now what we have to do, first of all, clean this up. First thing to do is get a small piece to put it here. Where's the other half? Oh, I haven't done this one yet. Yep, it's nearly there. We'll need to get that part off. Check it out. Okay, so first thing you have to do, like I said prior, is to get this piece, this part joined. So what you do is get a pin. This is the rabbit skin leather that I use. I don't use any paper. I use the rabbit. So what we do is we cut one piece, not that much. Let's see, I think there's a little bit there. I know you can see how much is coming off. The thinner is the better. Get a blade like this and scrape it. You can feel it. It's got a little bit more. I think that should be enough. See, this knife is no good. There's scissors. Okay, so now got some wood glue. Let's see if it's coming out first. Wood glue is good because once it dries you can't see it, so it's good. That's one. You don't need to put too much, just enough. So once it's in the right place, so you leave it now until it dries. So if there's any extra, we can cut it with the blade. So that stays like that for a while. Maybe, even you leave it a day or a couple of hours. See, we need to cut all these excess. We take them off. So now what we have to do is cut. Yeah, so that's it for now.